Welcome! Here at NeuralSeek, we are excited to announce a new feature called Explore. To use the Explore feature on NeuralSeek, follow these steps. Generate a response with the Explore feature. Go to the Home menu at the top of the page. Click on Explore. You are now ready to ask a question. Select a question from the generated question list or ask a question specific to your company's knowledge base. Click Enter. Select one of the Get Data options. For this example, we will use the KB documentation. Make sure this command appears underneath the question. In between the quotation marks, change the text to reflect the main topic of your question. Return to the menu on the left side of the screen. From there, you can select the Modify Data options or ask NeuralSeek to generate an example. We will select Write a Prospect Email. Once you have selected an option, click Generate. NeuralSeek will then generate a response using your company's base. Other AI generation engines have yet to match the precision and efficiency of NeuralSeek. Once your response is generated, you can select Microsoft Word to download your response directly into a document. It's that easy. It's easy to use the Explore tab and other features to make the hype around generative AI real for your business. If you would like to learn more about the Explore feature or how NeuralSeek can benefit your business, please visit our website.